Welcome back to the BN Kitchen. I'm Jackie Lewis, clinical nutritionist for BN Multi. The holidays are wonderful, but can be a challenging time for food. Try these Cranberry Chicken Tacos, a wonderful, quick and flavour-packed meal. You've worked so hard all year for weight loss, health improvements, and many other successes you've achieved. Don't let the short period during the holidays block your efforts. The BN Multi team wishes a happy, healthy holiday season to all of our BN family. We appreciate you and we're grateful that we're making this journey together.